Welcome back and thanks for staying tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18. Now let's talk about Torrent Pharma because that is set to acquire KKR's 46.39% stake in JB Chemicals, followed by an open offer and merger. Ekta is joining in with us to give us more details on this deal. Ekta, the much-awaited deal I think we're watching out for. Finally, that's coming.
Hi, thanks for that. Yes, absolutely. Torrent, remember, at one point in time was looking to acquire Cipla and has a very good track record when it comes to domestic M&A. So finally, they've got JB Chemicals in their kitty, which has very strong domestic brands. But nonetheless, on the deal itself, it's a two-phase deal. So the total purchase price is going to be around 19,480 crores or up to that amount for around 46.39% stake. The equity valuation comes to around 25,689 crores, and that is a discount to the current market cap of JB Chemicals. So phase one, they're going to acquire 46.39% stake from KKR for 11,917 crores. They may acquire 2.8% stake from the employees at around up to 1,600 rupees per share, and the open offer will be around 26% at around 1,639.18 rupees. The second phase is a merger. JB Chemical shareholders will receive 51 shares of Torrent shares for every 100 shares of JB Chemicals. Now, in terms of the valuation and funding, the deal is at around an 11% discount to JB Chemicals' current market price. The open offer is around an 8.9% discount. It is likely to be debt funded for Torrent Pharma. But remember that they also approved 5,000 crores in terms of fundraise in May 2024. The valuation 19 to 20 times FY27 EV to EBITDA, which is close or is a discount to the Torrent valuation currently, which is at around 23 times EV to EBITDA on an FY27 basis. What it does do is that it strengthens Torrent's domestic portfolio. Torrent will become the fifth largest pharma company in India. Domestic sales for the company will rise 35% to around 8,600 odd crores, and they'll gain key chronic brands such as Silicar, which is a cardio brand, 785 crores in terms of sales. Metrogel, which is a gastric brand, around 342 crores. Rantac as well from the gastro space. They will also enter the CDMO lozenges space, and JB Chemicals will then become one of the top 5 global players within that segment. Remember, they have a past record in terms of M&A, so that should probably aid Torrent, and that'll probably give the street comfort for this big, large acquisition that they've made.
Absolutely. Ekta, thank you so much for that. So these are important details coming in for the Torrent and JB Pharma deal.